Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to share with you guys some tools that I feel is useful for phone repair, especially if you want to do some custom things such as like clear back mods to your phone, or just let's say you have a faulty battery or screen and you want to do some repairs yourself. Here are some 6 tools that I say you really need just to make the process a lot easier. Alright, so for the first tool, right, I would say it's most likely a hairdryer. I'm pretty sure most of you guys would have one of these at home. I know people would say use a heat gun or something like that, but in my opinion, I feel this is way safer. As a heat gun, you may overheat the phone and cause damage to it, compared to a hairdryer that probably only gets up to 50 plus degrees. You can't really burn anything with a hairdryer. Alright, so the second tool that I would recommend is pretty much a no-brainer. You definitely need a toolkit just to do it, to open up a phone. I'll say you can get any one of these style of toolkits off AliExpress or Lazada. I will link one in the description down below. It's like 15 bucks only just to get all the tools, the one you can repair MacBooks with and everything. But one thing I do notice about this style of tools is that sometimes it does tend to strip a bit easier. So you have to be careful of that. Alright, so now for the third tool, I'll say it's somewhat like a suction cup. You can buy one of these stuff aftermarket ones that has a bit more strength and sort of allows you to pull up on it. Or you can just use some household ones. I'm pretty sure you'll find this in your house also, something like this type of doodly thing that it pretty much would be found in, like, let's say your house. This can work too, but it isn't as much suction power compared to something that's more industrial like this. Also, this would cost like about $5 only, which is quite cheap. Alright, the fourth one's actually gloves, but I don't personally use it because I don't really have gloves at the moment. But it's definitely something that I would recommend, because if you say you do use your pure hands and you're repairing a phone that has somewhat like shattered glass, which is similar to my previous S20 videos and all those, you can get the glass shards in your hand if you're not careful, and you can get cut. Another advantage of having gloves also is when you heat it up with the hairdryer, you sort of get the phone really hot, and you don't even want to touch the phone when the phone is burning hot. So having a pair of gloves that are heat protected and also make sure that glass can't penetrate through it is extremely useful. Alright, the fifth one I would say is somewhat like an alcohol wipe over here. This isn't the best example because it's not 100% isopropyl alcohol. If you want to buy a bottle, that's about $24. You can use to clean a whole bunch of stuff, remove a lot of residue. Or you say you have a phone battery that's stuck inside your phone, using the isopropyl alcohol, but a 99% version of it, so there's very little water inside the alcohol, to sort of soften the adhesive will be extremely useful and will save you a lot of time and this frustration of not being able to remove something because of adhesive. And finally, I will say that the last thing that you definitely need, which is the number 6 thing, is actually B7000 glue. I'll say this is extremely useful because it starts to hold the phone together much better compared to like the normal gasket that you buy off replacement housings. Those gaskets are terrible and they allow water in. This one here sort of give it a bit more water resistance, though it's not going to be perfect, but you sort of have to apply a thick layer of this, but other than that, it's quite good, I would say. So with that, we have come to the end of the video. I hope these tips help you all like do phone repair at home and sort of start your endeavor into DIY work. So if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, share, comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.